How are you everyone? I am Emperor X. Vulnerability 0 days. This explanation is on one of the exploits. It is regardless that they claim that the RAR program has been updated and the exploit is closed, but 99% are using the old version that contains the vulnerability. This video clip is just for informational purposes. We will explain and exploit the exploits. But first let's say what is this vulnerability. 0 days, to fix it before it was exploited, allows hackers to hide malicious scripts in archive files masquerading as .jpg images or .text files, for example, to compromise target machines. Group IB says hackers have been exploiting this vulnerability since April to spread malicious zip archives on specialist trading forums. Group IB tells TechCrunch that malicious zip archives were posted on at least 8 public forums, which cover a wide range of trading, investment, and cryptocurrency-related subjects. Group IB declined to name the targeted forums. In the case of one of the targeted forums, administrators became aware that malicious files were shared and subsequently issued a warning to their users. The forum also took steps to block the accounts used by the attackers, but Group IB saw evidence that the hackers were able to unlock accounts that were disabled by forum administrators to continue spreading malicious files, whether by posting in threads or private messages. Once a targeted forum user opens the malware-laced file, the hackers gain access to their victims' brokerage accounts, enabling them to perform illicit financial transactions and withdraw funds, according to Group IB. The cybersecurity firm tells TechCrunch that the devices of at least 130 traders are infected at the time of writing, but notes that it has no insight on financial losses at this stage. Now, let's exploit this vulnerability. First, this vulnerability is used in phishing. It is by making a file WinRAR files in a certain way. Since it is the WinRAR files that contain the vulnerability, we will use an image. We will use a file bat. The vulnerability is when someone will open the image from within the WinRAR file. WinRAR will play the amalgam file, not the image. This is vulnerability. And if you want to learn the field of security, or learn the forensic investigation of malware, or learn electronic hacking, I provide books for you to learn all of that, and you can contact me. I will also follow the learning with you step by step.